guys, and welcome to this new episode. I hope all of you are doing well today, and also happy new year to everyone. It's a new year and this is the first video of the year. We're going to be having some adjustments this year, and the goal is to have more content pushed out for this year. So yeah, this is one of the content that we'll be pushing out this year, and it's going to be a wonderful one because we're going to be listing out or looking into tokens that you can bounce on and trade for the week. It's going to be a very simple strategy. It's going to be for spot trading, which I think is very downplayed because in as much as futures trading can be a very good way for you to max up a lot of profit, at the same time spot also has its own huge benefit, which is the fact that you cannot lose all your investment. So I'm going to be using this strategy, this spot trading system, to give you tokens that you can invest in for the week. It's going to be a short-term trading, and you can take profit or take your loss as you may see fit for that week. Yeah, so it's going to be a good one. It's going to be a great one, and you guys should stay with us. You should stick with us. Now, if you're seeing our video for the first time, you're welcome. This is an amazing community, and it will be nice for you to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to this community. Help get us to that 10,000 subscribers that we have targeted, and yeah, you'll enjoy it here. We have loads and loads of content for you guys that you will enjoy. This is the first of many, guys, and let me know what you think about this content in the comment section. But it's also very important for me to tell you guys that this is in no way a financial advice. This is just an opinion that I think would or might be good for the community. So the decision is still yours to buy or not, and at the same time you guys can let me know what you think about each and every of those tokens that we decide to buy for the week in the comment section. All right, guys, without any further ado, let's jump into the strategy that we will be using. All right, so the strategy we'll be using is very simple. It's a day trading strategy that I want us to extend for a week at least, that we can trade that particular token and see if we can make profit or we can get out of it at loss. The most important thing is to ensure that we use proper risk management and stop loss. So the first thing we need to do is to check on coin market cap to see high market cap and high volume coins that are doing negative in the 7 days region. In this instance, you can also use CoinGecko, which is what I'll be using practically for this the first part of the strategy. And then after doing that, what it means is that we'll be looking and scanning the market for coins that have high market cap and high volumes that are doing negative, that is, that are in loss in the 7 days region. As you can see, BTC is in profit in the 7-day region by 6%, and of course BTC has huge market cap and huge volume. The same thing with Ethereum, XRP, as every other top 10 tokens. But at the same time, there are also tokens that has huge market cap and huge volume that are doing negative in the 7 days region, and those are the tokens that we are looking out for. Those are the gems. The reason why we are looking out for this kind of tokens is because you would not want to tie your money down or invest in tokens that don't have high volume and they don't have high market cap. That is a huge risk. Don't forget that what we are trying to do is to ensure that we trade with a minimal risk, and then we can also make profit at the end of the day. And also, if we're not making profit, we can easily set our stop loss and get out of that market without incurring huge loss. So that's the reason for high market cap and high volume coins. So get that in mind. So using CoinGecko, if we click on this 7 days chart, you see it will list down. The down arrow means that we have listed down is starting with a coin with the highest gain in the last 7 days according to CoinGecko. And as you can see, we have SPX 6900, with 69% profit in the last 7 days. But if we go down, Buggy Penguin is also doing amazing with Stellar as well. So is also doing amazing. Injective Protocol is also doing amazing. Cardano has done 23%, Sandbox 22%. But these are not the tokens that we are looking for. Yeah, it would have been nice to have these tokens as the ones that we are looking for, because they obviously also have huge market cap. If you look at it, they have huge market cap. They have trillions in market cap. Billions in market cap. I mean, this is a Stellar having 13 billion in market cap, and this is a SPX also having 1 billion in market cap. AI16Z is also having 2 billion in market cap, and they also have good volume as well. As you can see, we have 97 million volume, 329 million volume. The reason for these things is also the fact that if they have high market cap and they have high volume, there are high chances of you finding them in established exchanges like Okex, like Binance, like KuCoin, which are the major exchanges that people are familiar with nowadays. Because we are not going to be buying many of these tokens from DEX. What we want to put to use here is centralized exchanges. So guys, put that to mind. So yeah, let's take a look down the line and see if we have anyone with 7 days negative chart. If we've searched a lot and we've seen Hyper Liquid, which is the hype that is having minus 11% in the last seven days. And then this is where the second side of the strategy comes to play. Now if we move from here, we'll move to Trading View, which we'll be using for the second side of the strategy. Now let's search for Hyper, or Hype rather. Hype. We can see that Hype is on KuCoin, so let's select Hype and let's load the chart. Now this is Hyper Liquid. Now the second side of the strategy that we'll be using on Trading View is also straightforward. On Trading View, we'll be using indicators such as Bollinger Band and RSI. Again, Bollinger Band and RSI. Those are the two strategies we'll put to play here on Trading View. Now, why are we using these two strategies? Is because one, they are simple, and then they are very good for short-term trading. And if we play our game right, we might actually have some good profit for the week. As you can see, the RSI and Bollinger Band are already on this Trading View chart, so as not to take our time. I already set them up. But if you guys want me to show you how you can set this up on your own Trading View, let me know in the comment section. Now, how do we play out this Bollinger Band and RSI system? For the RSI is more of a very good strategy in a way such that when a token is overbought at above 70 RSI, then we can sell that token. And when it is oversold at around lower than 30 RSI, we can look at that token as going in the bullish divergence, and then we can buy them. What I mean again is that when we're using the RSI, we look for oversold conditions, which is a bullish divergence, and then buy them. And also when we have bought, we sell when it is overbought, when it is in an overbought condition and forms a bearish divergence. So this is a very simple strategy. And for the alright, so without taking much of our time, after setting up the Bollinger Band indicator and the RSI indicator, what you need to do is to straightforward go to a 1-day chart, because we want to estimate for a week, see some tokens that we can continuously pick profit from for a week. And then you go to if you are to be trading in a day trading system, we can opt for the 4 hours chart or the 1 hour chart, but the 4 hours chart is mostly preferable for day trading because it gives you ample amount of data that you can work with. But in this case, we'll be using the 1 day candle, because I want us to actually project for a week. Look at tokens we can actually make profit on for a week. But guys, you can use the same strategy for day trading. That is, you can actually use 4 hours charts to look at these indicators and then use them to select what token you can buy or not. Now, going back to the point, right? This is the second side of the strategy. Now you set up your RSI and you set up your Bollinger Band. Now what you need to do is to go to the day candle and then check the Bollinger Band and the RSI if they both touch the bottom of the line. Okay, like I said, for the RSI, you'll be looking at something that is below 30 RSI. That is what you are looking for. So they both have lines, like you can see, they have 3 lines. There is the red line, the blue line, and the green line. That is for the Bollinger Band. And then we have 3 lines here as well for RSI, which is the top one, the middle one, and the bottom one. So I'm using this term so that you can understand it straightforward without bugging you with the languages and many technicalities around this. Now, straightforward, what you need to look for is on both lines, are these lines touching the bottom line of each of these indicators. If your RSI is touching the line below, and then your Bollinger Band is also touching that green line, that is the line below, then that means that token is a win token. It's a token you could actually invest on for the week or for the day, as the case may be. But in this case, we are looking for something we can trade over a week, right? That we can make profit from over a week. So if it is touching that the bottom lines of both indicators, then that token is safe to buy. So also note that it's a short-term strategy, and so you can only look for maybe 5%, 10%, 2%, 5%, 10% profit over the week. You can always, look at this strategy to see if you are still in line for the week. And if you see that it's already not going the way you expect it to go, or it has reached a stage where you can take your profits, you take your profits and move out of that market. But at the same time, it's very important, like I said, to use proper risk management and stop loss. Also, do not invest a huge amount of money that you are not willing to lose from. At least a good percentage of that initial investment, because trading is risky. So yeah, that's that about the strategy we'll be using, and hopefully this week or by next week I will come up with one of such trades that we'll look at. In this case now, hyper liquid is what we select. As you can see, this is not really a safe buy. Yeah, it has already touched the bottom line in about 3 days ago for hyper liquid, but the same thing is now happening. It's not happening with the RSI indicator, which means you cannot really jump on this token. Don't forget that yes, our hyper liquid, according to CoinGecko, is actually doing negative numbers for 7 days, but that is not enough reason for us to jump on it, because you have to use the combination of these two strategies to come up with something reasonable. Yeah, and the fact that hyperliquid doesn't work doesn't mean that you cannot look for other tokens. Of course, in the coming content, if you guys want us to continue this, of course, this is one of the contents I want to be pushing out per week, and I'm going to take my time to come together with a token that I think we can trade either this week or next week, as the case may be. Yeah, but yeah, I want to first use this video to help you understand what we want to do, so that I won't be going back and forth in the coming videos. I will just go straight to the point, look for the token, explain to you how we select and if we'll be selecting these tokens or not. Yeah, so that's that about this video, guys. Thank you for watching this very first video for this year. You guys have been amazing. You guys have been great last year, and we are hoping to have another wonderful, profitable year of 2025. Yeah, that's it for today about it on this video. If you've watched this video this long, thumbs up to you guys. Big up yourself. Smash that like button to get this video to as many people as possible. Smash the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. We have loads of content you will love to see, and at the same time, we check the description below. You see loads of links to my socials, to a community that you should be part of. We have loads of things going on right there, and yeah, it will help us grow that community. Also share our content with your friends or family. Let's grow this community together. Help us get to that 10,000 subscribers by January. Nothing is impossible, guys. Let's keep going. Let's smash that subscribe button. Big up yourself once again. Big up yourself. Have yourself a wonderful day, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next episode. Peace.